Good Wednesday afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast. Hey, the good news, those winds that have been creating some problems across Colorado are finally dying down this evening. We're still getting strong winds. We're still seeing strong winds out there this afternoon, but they will be diminishing and just in store for a breezy night and a breezy day tomorrow. Still do want to talk about those winds, though. I mean, they are gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour out across the plains. Certainly caused some problems out on the roadways yesterday and this morning due to blizzard conditions. The blizzard warning expired at noon today, so we're not concerned necessarily so much with blizzard conditions, but there is still a high wind warning in effect for Kit Carson and Yuma counties due to winds 30 to 40 miles per hour, but gusting up to 60 miles per hour. And with snow out on the ground, we still could get some blowing snow incidents and some problems with that. But again, the blizzard warning has expired. Let's take you out over Denver, where we've got mostly cloudy skies. It is a chilly day, no question. You got the temperatures just in general in the low to mid 40s, but then you factor in the wind, and it really does feel quite cold outside. Windy, strong winds until the afternoon. That's topping our weather headlines for today. And again, it is feeling a little chilly out today. Those winds with the breezy conditions tonight will feel a little blustery, and we are then warmer and dry tomorrow into Friday. That will increase our fire danger a bit. We'll keep our eye on that. Right now we're at 43 degrees at DIA, winds out of the north-northwest, 23 miles per hour. Factor in those winds, with the wind chill, it feels like it's 34, so certainly feeling quite cold out there. Let's revisit some of those peak wind gusts from last night, really yesterday at evening. Hugo 74 miles per hour, Lyman 72. So again, those winds did gust 70 plus miles per hour out at DIA. Or actually, this is downtown Denver, rather, 55 miles per hour. So it was windy across the board yesterday. We're getting those northerly winds continuing this afternoon. So kind of the same theme, not quite as strong as that storm system responsible for those winds has shifted off to the east. Current temperatures, we're in mainly the 40s across the plains, a few 30s, 35 in Colorado Springs, 33 in Lyman, 39 in Ray, but we're 44 in Greeley, 44 in Fort Collins as well. Looking at 20s and 30s in the mountains. So current winds, again, still 10, 20, 30 mile per hour winds. These northerly winds really kicking things up. And again, that'll be the theme, but gradually diminishing these winds will as we head into the overnight hours and tomorrow. Just expect breezy conditions for tomorrow, but folks in Boulder finally getting a break from the wind. Those winds right now only about 8 miles per hour. So taking a look at our wind gust forecast, actually as we kind of focus in on the metro area, foothills, usual downsloping winds 20 plus miles per hour, but we're looking at close to 30 miles per hour out across the eastern plains as well. But again, coming down significantly overnight into tomorrow. Do you want to talk about that high wind warning in effect for Yuma and Kit Carson counties? That goes until 6 o'clock tonight, 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, 60 mile per hour gusts possible. So again, will impact, no question, driving east along I-70 as you get closer to the Kansas border, not just for any type of blowing snow if there's snow still on the ground, but also with the high profile vehicles, you get a 60 mile per hour wind gust, not easy to navigate in a straight line with those winds pressing against your high profile vehicle. So again, just something to think about as we head into the 6 o'clock hour. But again, that warning expiring right around 6 o'clock. Wind gust forecast. Again, you're going to see those winds 30, 40, potentially 50 miles per hour, but really starting to settle down after 4 o'clock. You can see those bright pink colors shifting to the east, getting to be a little bit more calm. Still breezy, no question, 10, 20, 25 mile per hour wind gusts, but we're not seeing the 50, 60 mile per hour wind gusts that we saw last night and earlier today. Live radar really just dealing with some light snow showers out and about, again, along I-25 south of Monument. Still getting a little bit of light flurry
activity out on I-70. So again, just something to be cautious of. We're not expecting any accumulation with the snow falling right now. We'll continue to see some of those light snowfall, pockets of snow, but again, not shouldn't be impactful by any means. Even here in the metro area, 3:30 could see a flurry here or there. Out to the east, pockets of flurries, but again, this is not impactful snow by any means, but just don't be surprised if you see a few flakes falling. It is still quite chilly outside. So windy, cloudy, that is your forecast for today. We talked about the slight chance for an afternoon flurry, 43 degrees, those winds out of the north, 20 to 40 miles per hour. Forecast highs across the plains, basically where we are right now, 30s and 40s across the plains, 20s in the mountains. Tonight, a little bit less windy. We'll start to see those winds diminish. 24 degrees, your overnight lows in the teens and 20s across the plains. Tomorrow, partly cloudy. A little bit closer to where we should be for this time of the year. Temperature-wise, our normal high is 57 degrees. 59 is our forecast high. But again, it's just a breezy conditions. Just expect the usual as these powerful storms exit our area, leaving behind some residual breezy conditions. Forecast highs in the 50s and 60s across the plains. Hey, tomorrow marks the first official day of spring, and it's going to feel a bit like spring with highs topping out in the upper 50s. A little cooler Friday. We do have a weak system moving in. It's going to drop those temperatures just a couple degrees. Also bring us some snow up into the mountains Friday into Saturday, likely about 1 to 4 inches, but we're staying dry down at the lower elevation. 64 degrees, your forecast high for Saturday. Getting back to seasonal temperatures on Sunday, 59, upper 60s on Monday. We're looking at low 70s on Tuesday. I just have to say, folks are talking about this, so we have to bring it up. Looking ahead to next week, a big warm up Friday next week. Looking at temperatures climbing into the low 80s. So, yeah, there's a temperature swing. Low 40s today, low 80s in just a little over a week. That is a quick look at your forecast on this Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.